Some news coming in from West Bengal, where the Calcutta High Court has ordered the state to requisition paramilitary forces during Hanuman Jayanti, a rally which will be taking place on Hanuman Jayanti tomorrow. And this is after the violence that took place in the state in Howrah and Hooghly during Ram Navami. So the court said, considering past events that have taken place, the police is directed to conduct route marches in these sensitive areas. Also that in places where Section 144 is in place, no rallies should be permitted. And considering the largeness of the issue and in order to avoid any breach of peace, we are of the considered view that the state government should requisition assistance of paramilitary forces from the central government. Remember, this is after the recent violence that took place on Saturday and Sunday in West Bengal, in Howrah and Hooghly districts. After Shobha Yatras were carried out by the BJP, it's led to a back and forth and allegations and counter allegations between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP. The BJP claimed that their Shobha Yatras came under attack as they were passing by some mosques or sensitive areas, while the Trinamool Congress claimed that it was all orchestrated by the BJP and that the members of the Yatras were indulging in violence and carrying swords and playing loud music. Well, let's go across to Saurabh now for more. And Saurabh, so very interesting and very, key direction there from the Calcutta High Court, saying in view of Hanuman Jayanti now coming up, and again, if they're going to be Yatras, it's paramount to ensure security and even requisition central forces if needed.
That's right. The Calcutta High Court has ordered the West Bengal government to requisition paramilitary forces for assistance in maintenance of law and order. That's the wording of the Calcutta High Court order, which means that the state government is duty bound on the orders of the Calcutta High Court to requisition central forces. The deployment of these forces, paramilitary forces, will depend on where the state feels the need to deploy them, which is of course sensitive areas or areas where prohibitory orders are in place. Now, prohibitory orders have again been placed in Howrah in view of the upcoming Hanuman Jayanti. The Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, had warned that there could be more such disturbances around Hanuman Jayanti. In a speech today, a lawyer from the BJP, of course, opposed that statement of the Chief Minister and said that no person can make such statement. But the fact is that the Calcutta High Court has ordered the state government to requisition paramilitary forces for assistance in maintenance of law and order. Apart from that, the Calcutta High Court has made observations on intelligence, etc., because the Calcutta High Court has said that considering the past events that have taken place, there should be police marches conducted on the routes of these processions. And more importantly, where prohibitory orders are in force, which have been applied by the state government, no rally can be allowed. So Hanuman Jayanti rallies will not be allowed where Section 144 is in place, which is a prohibitory order that bans large gatherings. Apart from that, the Calcutta High Court says that this will act as a confidence building measure in sensitive areas. Apart from that, the state government submitted a list of terms and conditions that have to be met for any organization to be granted permission to hold these rallies, which includes the organization giving a declaration that they will be held liable for not adhering to any terms and conditions that have been imposed by the authorities. So this is, of course, looking at Hanuman Jayanti, because the state government had anticipated there would be trouble. In fact, the Chief Minister had said from a public platform that there could be trouble, that the Chief Minister had accused the BJP could be fomenting trouble. That is something that the BJP objected to in court. But the fact is that the Calcutta High Court has ordered the state to requisition paramilitary forces for assistance in maintenance of law and order. The deployment, etc., will be decided by the state government, but the order to requisition forces has been made by the Calcutta High Court.